Boxes are out. So many moving parts to Craft Day Con and what it has been already. And if you're seeing this, it means we are here. This is our first ever annual Craft Day Con, and I am so excited for it because the sponsors that came on board just to trust me to do the first one, I'm so excited for. So our influencers need to have their boxes on the first, while all the other people's boxes are shipping on the first. So let's do it. We got a week ahead of us. Let's go, guys. So good.
Man.
So what's that?
These are Bella Canvas's heavyweight hoodies that they sponsored for the event, and they're absolutely phenomenal. The material is just everything. Get ready, girls.
Jess, you got the sample box. Your tape is gonna look a little wonky.
Experiment.
But everything on the inside is perfect.
This should be the only thing out for the bottom.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Barcode bottom. Tote my goat in. Glue gun on.
Glue gun.
Crinkle, crinkle.
Nope. Not. This is actually perfect as yours going over the side. You should come with these boxes.
No. I still need to hand cut some of the faux leather. So we're doing like a faux leather Mickey ear that is reversible, plus like it's really cool. You'll have to watch all of the unboxings and Craft Day Con and all that to learn how to use that. But what I need to do is I need to cut 800 pieces of faux leather.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning dove and the sparrows sing, through the light that the sun will bring.
Keep looking at everything and going, this is a lot. But when we started to plan Craft Day Con in this box, we knew it wouldn't be until September, and we started this in December last year. And that's where I'm like, no, just projects that you spend an entire year on feel like a lot.
In the warm of the spring, I recall everything once more.
Okay, just got done sweat my booty off at the studio. I'm gonna go get myself a Dutch and we're going home. Let me tell you, living an hour and a half away from my studio, it's not the knees bees. Bees knees? Bees knees. Do bees even have knees? What do we have on the docket this week? So last week we did so much. I think I told you what we were planning to do, but it was a lot of little bitty stuff. And now I'm finishing up the little bitty tasks of like filling little bags and then getting all the stations ready for the team that's coming in on Saturday, Friday. We got all the Bella canvas organized by size. So my plan is to set it up seamless so that it's easy for people to jump in and help, and also set up so that there's no mistakes. We're not missing any pieces, because the last thing I want is for somebody to get a box and be like, I don't have a needle, because there are so many little elements to this box and big elements that I'm like, we can't forget anything, guys. Okay, so that's what we're doing this week. AJE team should be here on Friday helping out. I busted out so much stuff yesterday. That was a lot. We got to do a whole nother round of stuff. So today I am going to try to do the Maker Flow things. I just got to get moving. So I have so much to do today. So let's get going. Ran into our first hiccup. So I'm so glad I put these kits together because I was able to inventory every little piece from MakerFlow, and we were short 40 resins, and which is so easy for them to do because they literally sent us 17 elements. Hey, you know what? I should have packaged these a lot sooner, but that's what I'm learning. And what are you doing today?
We are making, putting together our promo packs with all the little trinkets we're gonna need, and
this is where your embroidery pages will be.
ta-da! This is my favorite part, this like iridescent.
I know, it's sold out on Amazon, so only the first 100 people are gonna get iridescent. The weekend time!
Oh my gosh, that came out so good.
Cute. And then look at the makeup bags.
Oh my gosh, those are
obsessed.
Yes, custom totes, and they do big bulk orders
Right.
for events, for businesses. This would be such a great gift for like any event.
And the colors, like exactly what we picked. Looks so cute.
Okay, so we have some cool giveaways on board.
All right, update me.
Marby is going to be giving away 4 pin bundles, which I am so excited for because I love their pins.
I love their pins.
They're doing a lapel flex bundle, retail value $100.
Dang!
They're doing a chalk bundle, which is
Okay.
a $70 retail value.
Okay, love chalk pens.
Do you?
Yes.
I don't know. I've never used a chalk pen. I love their lip pen though. It's my fave. Which they're also giving away a brush marker bundle for a $125 retail value.
The best.
I know. And then they're giving away a Deco Color paint marker bundle retailed at $140.
Nice.
I know. So they're the best. They're so generous.
They are so generous. They've literally just been the best. You too.
MakerFlow is doing a giveaway. It is giving away 10 $10 gift cards to
Okay.
the viewers of the Craft Day Con event.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
That's fun.
So I love that. And so far, that's what we have as far as giveaways.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Me too. Today, I am supposed to be editing a video for the box. Final Cut Pro keeps breaking down. I should not have pushed the box editing to the day before the box needs to go out. This is how I've always done things though. Like, I know when I'm supposed to edit the video, which is the last day. I get the most creative videos if I get all the footage. I've never ran into this exact problem, but now I know this part needs to be edited. It's box shipping day. We have a crew coming in for one whole day to do anything we need to help packing. And it's one of the things I really like about doing mystery boxes is I can take kind of my time to get everything exactly how I want it, and then have a crew come in, bust it out, get all these shipped out, and I can really fine tune and make sure like every product is here, everything is here on my own time.
And we're gonna start building the stacks somewhere along the walls.
I love doing mystery boxes. I like products, but I love mystery boxes because it's just this endorphin rush, and it's exciting, and it's kind of a little stressful for a little bit, but like in a good way.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Oh,
So cute.
Are you kidding me?
So cute.
Oh my gosh.